Morning, guys. Please check all of your getting my voice on screen. I've been put this box, guys. Please say yes or no. Right, sir. Once again, guys, all of you, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Guys, those who are attending online, check it. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Yes. Good morning. Good morning to all. Yes. Again, confirm to me, guys. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Right, sir. Then today, just we are going to see some introductory concepts in Java. What exactly Java? Then how many parts are available inside the Java? And then what we have to learn and what is the requirement to learn now? Java programming language. And all these many things here we are going to understand in today's. Guys, anyway, then today you are coming for a demo class to learn Java programming language. You have an intention to start your career with Java. Straightly, I'm asking one question. I'm asking one question straightly, then you have to give answer for it. Yes, sir. All of you ready? All of you ready for giving answers to this question? Simple question. It is not like any different one. Very, very simple. Please type ready now. And questions box. Guys, I'm telling to you, if you want to ask anything to me, just use questions box. There you can raise your questions. Then automatically I will see your question, then I can respond for you. Already you have questions box. Then open it and where you can type your questions. Continuously I'm able to see your questions, then I'm able to give response for it. Isn't it? Right, sir. Why you are learning Java? Guys, now tell me, what is your requirement to learn Java? What is your requirement to learn Java? Why today you are coming for demo class now? Why you are learning Java? Is my question. What is your requirement? Tell me, guess. You require answer for this. Changing my career and trying to become as Java developer. Good. To develop one front-end application. Okay. To make myself feel strong in Java. Good. Sudhanshu. Come on, guys. All of you. Everybody has to respond to me. Why? At least before starting your learning process, you should know this point. What is the requirement for you to learn Java? Why you are learning Java? What is the need? In these days, without Java, we can't do anything. And I like computers, but I want to become a Java developer to get better placement. To get better placement, and I want to become Java developer. Yes, make up, but to get better placements. Fine, 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 fine. Good guys. Then, so all of you are giving your thoughts. That's perfect. All right. Anyway, good. You have your own reasons, guys, and mainly for security. Sir. Okay, good. Nikhil, Ramani. Yeah, good reasons. Anyway, then all of your reasons are mainly for maybe majority of the people reasons mainly the target point is mainly they're coming to the point like you want to get a job, you want to get an identity, a Java background, you want to get a job. To get job as early as possible, so we selected this particular programming language. Maybe whatever the reason you are giving, finally your target point is getting job and having good identity in the market. Am I right? Final target, final point, what you are saying there by seeing all these things. So you want to get job as early as possible, and we want to have some identity in the software industry. Am I right? Mainly security or job security or better placement, and all these points are related to this particular thing only. Am I right? Exactly. This is a point now. Java and Scala are almost all same, and then why we should not target to learn Scala. Yeah, I'll come for this. Sudhanshu, I'll come for this. Right, sir. Now, these are the things, no? But before that, today, what I'm trying to say to you, what exactly the technologies which are trending in outside, to learn these technologies, what we have to do, and how much time we have to put for it. So, these many things today we are going to understand now. Good. Guys, now if you observe the software industry, what are the various technologies which are trending in outside and which are demanded in outside? If you observe these, I want to divide these technologies or maybe the development, maybe software industry or technologies. I want to divide into overall two categories. What are the two categories I want to divide now? First one is development side, development side, and the second one is I want to take non-development side, development and a non-development. Right. Can you tell me, guys, what are the various things which are coming under this non-technologies, non-development side? No, so many things are existing. What are these things? No, maybe say for example, testing side, testing, testing tools. Of course, Selenium testing is having a big demand nowadays when compared with others. This testing side. Next one is database administrators, DB administration side. Next one is network administration side. Then after that, server administrators. So number of technologies are available, administration side, or maybe some other management side, or whatever it may be. Some other technologies are available. I'm thinking non-development side. Okay, forget about this. Today you're coming for the Java programming language demo in the sense. I don't think so. You are come under this particular thing. Your testing tools, maybe one of the possibilities available. Then I will talk about it later on. Good. One is then after that, development side. If you come for this, at the development side, mainly three areas I identified, three types of technologies I identified. They're having very good demand in market. As per my view, I'm telling there, but other things, one or two are going to be available, but that I will point later on. But as per my view, at present, at development side, majorly three areas I identified. Three technologies are trending in outside nowadays. What are these three technologies nowadays? They are trending in outside. No, first one is Java. First one is Java, and second one is Python. Second one is Python. First one is Java, and second one is Python. And third one is third one is UI technologies, UI part, user interface technologies, UI technologies. Then apart from this, Miscellaneous, some other. Remaining technologies just will make it is miscellaneous. Right, sir. Miscellaneous in the sense remaining part. Right, sir. So these are the various divisions. That means I'm providing in our present training technologies. So Java, Python, UI technologies. Along with these and miscellaneous are available. What are these miscellaneous? I will talk with you later on. Good. All right, so now if you want to go for Java side, what exactly the list here you have to learn. What exactly the technologies we have to learn if you want to go at Java side. Good guys. Then now first one is core Java. Then if you want to set at a Java side, core Java is mandatory. First one. Second one is advanced Java. And the third one is like what I'm telling Hibernate. That maybe and struts JSF, these things are available, but they are not having much demand. That's all. Now, here just we need to be specific like what I'm telling struts and JSF, then after that Hibernate, then after this Spring framework. Nowadays, Spring Boot is having very good demand. Right, sir. Microservices is also be having good demand nowadays. Spring framework. Then after this, web services. Inside these web services also know SOAP and the RESTful services, two things are available. Alright, so then apart from this, a bit real-time tools. Then after this real-time tools, somewhat design patterns like this. So many technologies are available and so on. Some of the technologies I provided and mainly, right, so now these are the things, no, but out of these which are not having demand, no, struts, JSF are not having much demand nowadays. Previously, they got very good demand. Of course, they're the frameworks basically had very good demand, but nowadays, very less utilization. One or two companies might be using struts and JSF still, but no demand. As you are the new learner for Java programming or maybe for programming languages, not required to go for this to know. Right. Understand it, yes, what I'm telling you. Then after this, so these are the Java concepts here. That means what we have to learn if you want to get Java. So they are the various things now. But at the same time, if you want to go for Python side, here at the Python side, two approaches are available. At the Python side, two approaches are available. That means two types of Python here it is existed. One is enterprise application development. Enterprise application development. This is at one side, enterprise application development. And the second one is data analysis side. Data analysis side, in the sense data science, what I'm talking here. Good. We want to see at enterprise application development at the Python side, where what we have to learn, then we have to go for core Python and advanced Python. Actually, there is no such kind of classification in the case of Python, core Python and advanced Python. Unfortunately, in outside, people are giving this type of classification. That is their one. But actually, as per the Python documentation, no classification like core Python and advanced Python. Both are commanded Python only. Both are commanded Python only, but in our terminology, I'm giving that. Next one is frameworks we have to learn. Django or Flask. Both are going on, but my vote for Django. Good. This is one thing. Then after that, REST API. REST API, that means web services. This is existed here now. At like what now? Enterprise application development at Java side. Next one is data analysis. Data analysis. Data analysis in the sense, just I'm talking about data science. Data science. Now, inside this data science also, what we have to learn actually, Python is required. One is advanced Python is required, and some modules. What are these modules we required here? Just we can think of it. A few modules like NumPy we required. Next one is Pandas we required. Then after this, Matplotlib we required. Right, Seaborn we required. Just I'm giving list of Seaborn we required. Right, so then after this, we'll start with statistics. Statistics. Then after this, statistics, machine learning. Then after that, deep learning. Then after that, natural language processing. Then after that, neural networks. Then after that, artificial intelligence. Like this, so many technologies are available. Under this data analysis set, and if you take Python, actually people are saying Python. Python meant for data analysis set, not for enterprise application development. Python came into the picture and having very good demand just because of this data analysis set. Right. Understand this, what I'm telling you now. So these are exactly the technologies list what we are having at Python set. The other two things are existent. At two views are available for Python. One is enterprise application development, and other one is like what? Other one is under this content, like what I'm telling you, data analysis set. Come back again. If we come for this UI part, if we come for this UI part, what are the various technologies? Here we are going to understand about this UI part. Observe carefully. First, HTML. Next one is a CSS. Next one is a bootstrap. Then after this bootstrap, JavaScript. And after this JavaScript, and we may go for like what now? Some frameworks are available, or maybe apart from the JavaScript, jQuery. Then after this jQuery, anyway, it's available. Then after this, you can up to this Ajax. Then apart from this Ajax, now Angular. After this Angular, then we may go for React.js. And after this, Node.js, and along with that Express.js as a framework, basically Express.js. Okay. Then right. So then after this, the Vue.js. Nowadays, this word is also we are having. We got number of times Vue.js. Like this, so many technologies are available. But some of the technologies here are listed now. Right. So now this is like what I'm telling you, UI related technologies. So they're having trending in outside the UI search. And if you come for this some miscellaneous technologies, number of technologies are available. They are miscellaneous in outside. Or maybe we can go for like what I'm telling you, big data analysis, Hadoop, and SAP related things are available. SAP related thing. Then apart from this, Spark, Scala, and this kind of things are available along with this Hadoop. You can understand it. Spark, then Scala, SAP thing is available. Salesforce. Like this, so many technologies are available, and mobile application development, like what I'm telling Android, iOS, like this, so many. Yes, sir. I'm not giving complete list, no, but exactly some of the technologies list I given. Right. Now, these are the technologies which are trending in outside, guys. Try to understand it. Then, how much time it will take to each and every one? Then, what exactly the opportunity level at each and every technology site? So, at least we need to have awareness on all these things before starting a particular programming language or a particular technology. First, we should know. First, we have to understand what exactly the technologies list is available, then what we are having, and all these points here we have to know. You should know that. Okay, fine. Now let me check this point here. What I'm trying to say now. Observe carefully. If we want to learn now, if we want to go at a Java site, if you want to learn the Java completely, if you want to go the site, it will take nearly, then how much time it will take? No, damn sure 6 to 7 months of time it will take. It's on around, I'm telling you, not exactly, maybe 1 month less or more, but 6 to 7 months of time it will take. Its opportunity level in outside is a 70 to 80%, or maybe like 70% nearly opportunity level. Learn Java, 70% guarantee is available at Java side, you are able to get jobs. In the Java, in the sense nowadays, we can understand enterprise application development. Java, in the sense enterprise application development. Observe now. Enterprise application development only. Good. 6 to 7 months of time it will take. Your opportunity level will be 70% at enterprise application development. This is one thing. Next one is, apart from this, Python, if we are take now, at the Python side, again here, enterprise application development is available. In this enterprise application development here, what I'm telling you know, it will take around 3 to 4 months of time. It will take it 3 to 4 months of time, but its opportunity level is 30%. Why? Because enterprise application development with Python, in the sense its opportunity level is 30%. Enterprise application development set. But enterprise application development set at Java is what no 70% opportunity level is available. Right. But enterprise application development then at the Python side is a 30%. Good. Data analysis side at the Python side, at Python data analysis side, if you come there, this is totally a different field, and it's a duration. I'm telling you, nearly it will take 1 year of time. If you want to learn the total data analysis side in Python, 1 year of time it will take, and its opportunity level is 100%. It's a different area. So don't compare this area with this one. Java side is different and Python side data analysis side is different. So both are not comparable. And at data science side, 1 year from time it will take the total part, and 100% placement is going on. It's going on. It's upcoming field, but very good demand is going on nowadays, along with Java. Good, sir. Then after this is what UI technologies part. This is evergreen part, guys. This side is evergreen. Always demand is available for this. Side is evergreen. Always demand is available. Then, of course, then if you want to learn this total part, again here, it will take 5 to 6 months of time, right? And this front end part is in every project, front end part is required. In every project, front end part is required. Maybe backend technology, maybe Java, or maybe Python, or maybe .NET, or maybe some other, that doesn't matter. In every application, in every project, front end part is required. So definitely we should learn this UI technologies. So it's also a different field. I'm not going to be compared with Java. Java is at backend side. But I'm not going to compare with Java. Then its opportunity level is also be going on good. But 5 to 6 months of time is required. Why? Because in every project, this front end part is required. That's why I'm telling you, definitely it's required. So this is minimum. For every developer, you should learn up to some part, not even complete this part. Up to some part, every developer has to learn. Right, sir. Then remaining miscellaneous part, no, on the basis of your selection, which technology you want to select it, on the basis of that, the opportunity level is coming. Okay. Then here, demand is also be okay, fine. Minimal demand is going on there. So this is like what I'm telling you, depending on this topic, depending on the thing, what you are going to be selected there, it may take maybe 2 months to maybe 4 months of time. It will take, depending on the technology, what we are going to be selected. Right, sir. Then its opportunity level is going on. It's also a different area. Just we are not going to talk much about this one. Image. So these are the various training technologies. Here, what I am telling you. Good. Now, Java is a king at enterprise application development. Still, no comparison with Java. Python side also the enterprise application development environment is existed, but it is not the replacement for Java. Unfortunately, in outside, some people are misguided to their students, or maybe some people are giving some rumor in outside. No more Java. Java is dead. In place of Java, Python is growing very well. So Python is having future. No, I'll not agree this. And even as per my view, it's not like that. It is unnecessary statement and it is a wrong statement only. So no replacement is available for Java in enterprise application development. I said you at Python side also the enterprise application development process is available, technologies are available, but they are not giving any much impact on this Java. But still Java is a king in enterprise application development. Take any bank application, take any insurance application, take any healthcare application, take any domain. Then in every domain, Java is a ruling the technology. That means application development point of view, Java is ruling. The Python effect is only 30% only, but even it is not giving, even the 30 also will not there. But I given these numbers, but the 30 also will not there. But 70 to 80% the Java is good at enterprise application development. That's the point. Yes. Then what I'm telling you now. Good. Okay, fine. Now, this is what are the various technologies which are trending in outside. Then, if you want to get top at either of this one, then we should go for these many technologies right now. Guys, all of you are following what I'm telling to you. Just now, what I'm telling to you, what exactly the technologies suit, which are available, which are trending in outside, then what we have to do, then which side we have to select. Now we are going to understand it exactly. Sir, all of you are following or not? Please type in questions box. Waiting for your reply. Yes, all of you following my points? Right. Good. Thank you. Now, then what next one can I am telling to you apart from this? Minutes. What I'm telling, so these are the various technology sorts here we are going to do. Obviously, our vote is for like what side? No, Java. Good. Now leave this one. Now my requirement is, my point is, if you want to become as a Java developer, if you want to become as a Java developer, what you have to know is that only Java is sufficient, or along with the Java, what we have to do. Yeah, I'll give clarity. Grishma, Swapnika, that I'll give clarity. How to choose? Yes, definitely. I'll give it now. So definitely, your interest is like what I'm telling coding side. If you want to go there, then Java, Python, they are the two options. No, but Java side. If you want to come for the Java side, what I have to learn on immediately, sir. If you want to learn Java, what we require on immediately. So for that, I'm telling to you, if you want to take this Java developer point of view, damn sure we must require core Java mandatory. Advanced Java is mandatory. And the third one is Hibernate is mandatory. And the fourth one is Spring is mandatory. Up to the Spring Boot, up to Spring Boot, that is mandatory. And the fifth one is depending on web services, we can make it as depending on our view. Maybe we can make it as optional, not immediately. Immediately, later on also we can plan for it. Yes. Just wait. Then I will come back. I'll come back for automation. Testing purpose, I will give clarity for you. You want to learn core Java for automation process only. Yes, exactly. If you want to go for testing, core Java. Core Java is sufficient. Not required to go for the entire Java also. Core Java is sufficient. Yeah, I'll talk about it. So these things we required. Apart from these things, what are required? Apart from these things, what we required as a Java developer in the sense, definitely we need one database awareness is required. Database awareness. What database here we require? No, just simply we have to go for Oracle as a Java developer. Oracle awareness is required. One is apart from this, basic UI part is required. Basic UI part. Java developer. If you want to go for it, basic UI part is required. In basic UI part, what I need, what I required. In basic UI part, if you take more than what I required there, simple. HTML is required and CSS is required. Then apart from this, JavaScript is required. Then after this, JavaScript and DOM is required and jQuery is required. Up to this is sufficient at basic level. So basic UI part is required. But we have patience level, and if you want to go for it, right, SQL Server is not mandatory for Java developer. Oracle is minimum. Oracle is mandatory, or maybe nowadays maybe SQL site, Oracle, no SQL site, no SQL site, some number of MongoDB is available, like number of things are available. But majorly at initial state, at startup mode, Oracle awareness is required. Basic UI part is required. Basic UI part is required minimum up to this jQuery, not even up to Angular. But if you have patience level, if you want to update in Angular, then in Angular also separate shops are available. Or else maybe we can as a Java developer, if with the Angular awareness, no, then that will be good enough. That we are going to understand. These are the things here we can identify, no. But if you want to put some experience there, just we have to go for some real-time tools we require. At least Maven or minimum tools. Maven or JUnit and this kind of tools we require minimum. So like this. And the next one is design patterns. If you know, that will be good, well and good. Design patterns. Different patterns are available, then that will be good enough. If you know this design patterns particle. So if you want to go for Java developer, these are the various technologies we have to learn. Maybe today or tomorrow or day after tomorrow, whatever it may be. So finally, whether we are before getting job or after getting job, whatever it may be, you must learn. You must learn these concepts if you want to become a Java developer. So then this real-time tools in the sense minimum tools. What are the tools we are using nowadays? Maven and JUnit, that's a log4j, like this type of things. Minimum tools, I'm telling them. For development process, what are the tools people are using in the real-time application development, that minimum tools. That's it. So these are the things here we have to learn if you want to become as a Java developer. That's it. Then nowadays, then what is going on there? People may ask to me, sir, myself is a fresher, sir. Just I completed my academics. No, what should I learn? Is it necessary to learn all these things? Yes, I'm telling to you clearly nowadays, as for this nowadays in outside market situation, I'm telling to you, if you have more technology in our resume, more priority. If you are good at in more technologies, then we are going to get more priority in the interviews now. Moreover, nowadays in outside, every project, 90 to 95% of the projects are going on with the Spring framework minimum Spring framework. But if you want to know Spring framework, we should know all these things. So because of this reason, these four are mandatory nowadays if you want to see your career at the Java side. As all of you understand it clearly now. This is Java side if you want to go there. So as you are taking steps to learn Java programming language, what you have to learn if you want to become as a Java developer. If you want to become as a Java developer, then what we have to learn? Right. These four are minimum at a fresher level, even at experience level, whatever it may be. If you want to keep experience now aligned with these strengths, then we have to go for web services and database awareness anyway. As per your academic view, you might be have awareness on this Aragil, and this is basic. It's not much difficult to learn about these two concepts here that we are able to do. That's it. Then after that, real-time tools and design patterns that we are going to do. This is the pattern, the Java developers point of view. Then what is the pattern here? What we have to learn as you want to become as a Java developer. So next one is the remaining parts are not necessary, just we can skip them. If you want to become as a Java developer, these many things here we have to learn. Understand guys what I'm telling you. So how much time we have to put if you want to, if we are working professional there, just I'm telling there learning process max. If you want to complete this Java development point of just 2 hours of time if you put there for learning, then maybe 6 to 7 months of time we are going to complete this total. But anyway, then I'll give that part also. I'll give that part also. Right, so now this is the totally what I'm telling, Java developer. If you want to become a Java developer, then what we are going to understand, what we should know. The other things here, what I'm telling you. But today I'm taking this Java classes there. Today I'm taking this classes, actually, guys, all of you observe carefully. What I'm going to provide, which courses I'm going to provide. Of course, my caliber at Durgasoft is I'm able to take classes for Java set completely, complete Python set, that means like Django or these kind of things, not data analysis, not data science, and even technologies my expert. I'm planning, just I am taking these classes there. That's my courses, my skill set at Durgasoft. But apart from this, here today we are starting nearly Java classes. There are three types of batches today. I'm taking this demo class. Three types of batches. What are the three types of batches? Here I'm starting with only core Java. If you want to cover it, today is a demo class for it. Only core Java. Then guys, observe carefully. Then here only core Java is going on. This is one thing. Durgasoft, pretty batches I'm telling you. At Durgasoft, what you are providing batches in the case of Java. So this is one batch, might be. Then those who are looking for only core Java, today is a demo class. Remember this one. Then apart from this, basic Java package. Basic Java package. Now insert this basic Java package, which courses are going to be covered? Core Java. Then after this core Java, advanced Java. After this advanced Java, database Oracle. Next one is the UI technologies. Basic UI, not complete UI. Basic UI. So here, basic UI in the sense, whenever I'm saying basic UI, remember this part here. So these technologies are going to be covered under this basic Java package. So this is basic Java package, what I'm taking. Next one is another one here. I'm going to take complete Java package. Complete Java package here. I'm going to be start complete Java package. Inside this complete Java package, what are the courses here we are able to get? Core Java, you are able to get, and advanced Java, you are able to get. Apart from this, Hibernate, we are able to get. Then Spring, you are able to get. Right, sir. Then web services, yes, we want to plan, but we want to make it as optional case. But we are not sure about this one. Web services, right, sir. Depending on the time, we will plan for it. But it is optional. Depending on our view, we are planning for it. Right. So web services make it as optional. Then apart from this, you are able to get Oracle. This is mandatory. We are going to be covered that. And basic UI parts, basic UI. Then as I said to you, which part of this UI we are going to be included here. This part here we are able to include no basic UI parts. Apart from this, and the real-time tools we are able to provide. Real-time tools majorly, and two we are going to be covered. Maven and what next one there? Log4j. So this two are minimum, then these two we are going to be covered, not more than that. So this is complete Java package. Now today we are planning for it. So only core Java, then basic package and complete Java package. Right, sir. So real-time tools, Maven, Log4j like this. Maybe we can make it as optional JUnit max. We are going to be covered JUnit. We can make it as optional. Depending on the time, I'm going to be covered max. So JUnit is also there, but 90% I decided I want to cover that, but 10% of chances, no? Right, sir. Then, so these are the things here I'm telling to you. If you want to learn only core Java, guys, if you want to learn only core Java, then I'll give some timings and scheduling also there. Just try to understand it. No, if you want to cover only core Java, so it will take nearly 2.5 months to 3 months. I'm sure core Java only if you want to cover 2.5 months to 3 months of time. Right, sir. Basic Java, if you want to be covered, it will take on around 4 months of time. On around 4 months of time, it will take. If you want to cover like what no basic Java. No. So next one is if you want to complete this complete Java package there, and it will take around 6 months of time. Around 6 months of time it will take now. Guys, all of you have to be careful. Around 6 months of time we are going to be take to complete this complete Java package. Listen, now timings for it. Timings for it is, guys, that what I'm telling you, all of you recognize this. And before providing these timings, then what are the various services we are going to be provided as part of our classes there? What are the services here we are going to provide regarding these batches? Now, say what exactly the services we are going to provide. If you join with our classes, what services we are going to provide? Right, sir. If you understand it, I'm giving clarity for all of you guys. So up to the latest technologies we are going to discuss. Latest technologies in a core Java, we can expect core Java and up to Java 14 version. Meanwhile, if a 15 is releasing, then definitely I will include that 15 also. But up to Java 14 version, we are going to discuss that. Just example I'm telling you. That means up to latest technologies, all in every aspect, core Java or advanced Java, Hibernate or Spring, whatever it may be now. This is one thing what I'm telling you. Next one is, and everything will be live execution. Everything will be live execution, and in front of you we will take the projects or maybe whatever it may be, everything will be live execution. Next one is at the end of at the end of each and every course. At the end of each and every course, we will do a project. We will do a project. Just it is for the sake of practice purpose only. Practice purpose, not for the sake of keeping in our resume. Right? That is different. If you want to show some experience and if you want to have some project lessons, it is not useful for it. Just it is for the sake of practice. That means whatever the things you learn, you are going to learn in our courses there. On the basis of that, we have to go for it. So the just it is like what I'm telling you, practice purpose only. This is one thing. Right, sir? Then apart from this, what I'm telling you, right, after this, every day, classes recordings will be provided. Classes recordings will be provided. We are able to provide these classes regarding, present batch, your batch, present batch, this batch, present batch videos, and plus one previous batch videos, So two sets of videos we are able to provide, present batch videos and previous batch videos. Why? Because, for example, today I'm going to take one topic. But before coming to this class, you want to prepare yourself there, the same topic now. Then that's why we are going to provide the previous batch videos also. But anyway, then current class, whatever the class you are learning, this current class videos also we are able to provide. So this support is very good. But nowadays, when compared with others also now, we are doing this job perfectly. And every day video you are able to receive within 1 hour, So these are not downloadable. Through Google Drive, we are able to provide these videos. That's up through Google Drive. So Google Drive will provide access, and the support is up to around 1 year of time, but it is not mandatory to cut off this 1 year of time here. Maybe it may be extended. It's not like mandatory. It's an official boundary. I'm telling there 1 year of time, but more than that also we are able to get that video support. We are able to see that. Next one, video class. That means every class is being recorded, including today's class also. We are going to be recorded and we are going to provide this video support to all of you guys. So this is one thing what I'm telling you. Then apart from this, after completion of this, then what support here we are expecting from my side here. Next one is, so working with multiple databases, guys. Working with the multiple databases. What are the databases we are going to be used in our technology? If it is required, for example, JDBC is one of the technology where I have to use databases. What databases I'm going to use there? First of all, I will give how to install Oracle database and how to use that Oracle database. What are the various basic SQL queries are available? I will discuss about this Oracle. Then after that, I will use how to connect with Oracle database from Java applications. Next one is MySQL. We will use there. Here also, how to install it and how to work with that MySQL. Then after this, then MongoDB. Nowadays it's getting most popular in outside there. MongoDB. This one also we are going to see how to install it and how to use that for our applications. MongoDB will provide this. Apart from all these things, another thing here, what I am telling here, how to connect with the AWS cloud databases also. cloud databases also. Yes, this part is nowadays. In even previous batches also we did not implement it. In the recent batches onwards, I'm implementing this one. How to connect with AWS? Just I'll give basic awareness on AWS. Then after that, how to connect with AWS cloud databases also, along with our course as part of our content here. So this is like what I'm telling there, working with multiple databases. So this set of databases we are providing that anyway. This is one thing. Then after that, another thing is like what I'm telling working with multiple servers for our applications. Server-side applications, if we take what are the various servers we are going to be covered, we are going to use in our classes there, various servers. Now try to recognize this. Working with multiple servers, just we can understand it. Tomcat. Next one is a WebLogic, JBoss, or Wildfly. That means both are same only. Next one is a Glassfish. So these are four servers we are going to use in our applications. Tomcat, WebLogic, JBoss, or Wildfly, Glassfish, working with these many servers. So definitely we are able to have very good hands-on experience on these servers. How to use these servers for our application development that we are going to use there. Why? Because server-side programming, servlets or JSPs, or maybe some other applications if we want to prepare, then we have to use these many things. Next one is apart from this, working with multiple IDEs, guys. It's not like only notepad kind of implementation. No, never. So working with multiple IDs. Initially, we may start with working with notepad plus maybe, or maybe we may go for edit plus maybe initially. But later on, 90% of our application development is going on with IDEs. So these are startup, hello world programs only we are going to do on the basis of this. But majorly, we are going to prepare 90% of the applications. 90% of the applications, and these are for only startup programs only with this. But remaining 90% of the programs we are going to see on this Eclipse, we are going to see IntelliJ IDEA we are going to use. Then after that, NetBeans. So these many things we are going to use there. 99% of applications are going to be done with this IDs only. This is an advantage here. So when we join with a company, you should not say anything new. Then everything must be covered under your training process only. So we are going to provide even this one also there. Next one is after completion of this, maximum applications will be designed on the basis of MVC, model view controller. Right, sir. On the basis of this MVC pattern only, we are going to prepare the applications, max applications. Then which level of students we have to attend there? So low level 2. That means we are going to bring you right from 0 level to 100%. So we will start our technologies right from 0 level. 0 level in the sense even not at 0 level. Before might be minus 100 level onwards, we are going to we are going to deliver the content. So at the end of the classes, you should be in a position to teach Java to somebody else. Once you're in a position to teach Java to somebody else, learning Java is nothing. That means getting job is nothing. Once you're in a position to teach Java to somebody else, then getting opportunities or getting jobs in companies is not at all matter. Easily we can get it. And one more thing I'm telling there, here we are having nearly 80% success rate. For every 100 members, 80 members are used to get jobs in outside companies there. Good, sir. Now, these are the various services what we are providing. Maybe very one or two, if I forget, then once course is started, then we are going to start on all this content, all these things here we are able to provide. Good, guys. Now, these are the, so then Java side, if you observe this 3 batches here we are planning. So all the things here we provided. Next one is, apart from this, timings, guys. Then per week, how many classes there? So per week, classes would be like what I'm telling you, Monday to Saturday classes. Monday to Saturday classes are going to be available effectively. But listen carefully. If we are not in right track, that means a bit delay we are going on there, then we will conduct the classes the Sunday also, but not immediately. Maybe possibilities are available. We are able to provide this. And placements, guys, definitely placement support we are providing, but nowadays the COVID situation is going on there. That's why companies are also not interested to come for at Durgasoft. But definitely we have nearly 50 more companies, clients we are having there. If any client is coming, if any company wants to take students from us, then definitely we are going to give some intimations. We are going to conduct some tests also. Understand it? Yes, placement support is going on, but it is not like job guarantee program anyway. Right, sir. And one more thing, I forgot to specify one more thing. Max, on the basis of the topics, the basis of the topics completion topics, we will provide assignments. On the basis of the topics, we will provide some assignments. Definitely, we are going to give some assignments, hands-on assignments we are able to provide on the basis of the topics, not on the basis of daily, no. For example, if I complete a particular topic, on the basis of it, we are going to have some assignments, some interview questions, some assignments discussion, and all these things are going on, definitely. Okay, now then it's also be part of the course only. Right, sir. This is also be part of the course only, then automatically we are going to do this. Right, sir. Then apart from this, yeah, now let's come for this timing, guys. Observe carefully. So Monday to Saturday, we are able to have classes. Please remember this one more point I'm telling to you. Right, sir. Now timings I want to be specified, try to observe carefully. Only core Java, if you want to learn, only core Java, if you want to learn, timings I'm telling to you for this core Java, if you want to learn only core Java. So basic introduction classes will be conducted at this time 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. That means introduction classes only. Maybe we can expect is up to 15 days of time. Up to 15 days of time. Then after that, right, only introduction classes will be conducted at this time, no? Then after that, the complete complete remaining course is going on at what time there? 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. 8 a.m. 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. total remaining course. As per IST, I'm telling you, the timings as per IST only. Yes, observe this clearly. Just we can calculate as per your time. So at a core Java, if you want to go for core Java, only first 15 days of time only, we'll conduct a class at 6 to 7, but remaining course will be conducted at 7 to 8 only. If you want to come for this core Java only, good. This is one thing. But if you want to come for this basic Java, if you want to conduct there, so here what I am telling there regarding these timings, no. So here timings point of view, then what we have to know. First 15 days of time, classes will be conducted at same thing. What I'm telling you, 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. Then after that, the remaining courses will be conducted at what time they know. We can observe this 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. and 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. That means if you're in basic package, 4 months of time we are going to be covered. 2 slots we require major. First 15 days of time, this is introduction part only. Right now 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. and 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So these schedules we have to assign if you want to come for like what no, if you want to go for the basic Java package now. Right, sir. Complete Java package if you want to get the same thing. The complete Java package also be the same timings we are going to be provided. What I'm telling you, first 15 days of time only this introduction classes are going on here, but our actual course is going on at 7 to 8 and as well as 8 to 9. Right, guys. Now these are the timings here we have to understand. If you're at core Java, no need to talk about the second timing. No, that means 6 to 7 only introduction classes only. Remaining course will be there at 7 to 8. Not required to attend at 8 to 9. Only core Java if you want to take. No, if you want to come for this basic package, no, 7 to 8 and 8 to 9 that we require. This is minimum schedules what we are having. Then apart from this, then 6 to 7, just first to 15 days of time only we have to attend. Otherwise, then later on we have to go for 7 to 8, 8 to 9 only. If you're at complete Java package, same schedule is going on. First 15 days of time, you will attend at 6 to 7.
Then remaining courses are going to be conducted at 7 to 8 and as well as at 8 to 9. Guys, observe carefully what I'm telling you. And then people are asking to me regarding these prices and all these things. I don't like to talk about these prices inside my classes there, but some offers is going on, so that you may get benefit of these offers. That's why I'm telling you, right? So no, fee for core Java is 7,000. Right, sir. No offer in this. Now, as is that fee is available for Java 7,000. And in the case of this basic package, right, sir, the actual fee, that is the basic package actual fee is total amount is actually 28,000, 28,000. But package fee, that means basic package fee is what? Right, sir. Now, it would be like what I'm telling there. Package fee, right, sir, 23,000 actually package fee. But But then what is the offer here? Offer fee is what I'm telling Offer fee, register for this course. If you register for this course today or tomorrow, that means today in the sense like what I'm telling 11th. Today 11th. Today or tomorrow 12th or maybe or day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow. If you want to go for it, maybe that will be 13th. So offer fee will be like 20,000. Right, yes, observe this clearly. This is offer fee. In the case of this, what I'm telling this basic Java. So in 2 days, 3 days offer is going up 20,000 that we are able to get. But if we come for this complete Java package, here, so actual cost, actual fee is what here total complete Java package content here. If you want to go there, it will be nearly and 42,000. But like a package fee would be so 35,000 is going on 35,000. But here also be 3 days offer is available. Offer fee again get the same thing I'm telling if you register today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow, 3 days offer fee is available. Right, then you will get this offer fee. It will be like that's 30,000. You are able to get it. But in this course, then what we are able to get, and these many things here we are able to get. They are the things here we are able to get, guys. So then a 3 days offer is also going on a bit benefit. You are able to get it if you want to register for it. Okay. Then apart from this, guys, just I will assign and 5 to 10 minutes of time for you. Now, just if you have any queries, then I can explain there. 5 minutes of time. Wait a minute of time. I'll give intimation there. Right, guys. Now, so this is then what exactly courses I'm telling you. And one more thing, if you have any concerns regarding this payment and all these things, no issues, then feel free and just we can talk with our admin people. Bhavani is a person and she's our admin and she will take care about all my classes there. So contact number will be right, so 555 and other number is also available. Just you can talk with her. She will help you. Then if you have any money concern, no problem. Then if you have any money concerns there, just you can talk with her and she will be available for you. So 88977711 and 799 and you can mail to
Durgasoft online training @gmail.com. That's it. Yes, we can do that. If you have any problem with money, or if you want to have any something else, like just we can talk with her, and she's a responsible person for all my courses. Right. Then once you confirmed it, just we can talk with her. She will send this procedure how to register for this course, and she will send that procedure to you so that you can join for it. Okay, fine. Yeah. Then every two courses parallelly we are going to do, guys. Then courses care we are doing in the sense, first of all, basic course we will start there. Parallelly, some Oracle and UI technologies courses we will take. Then once we are completing basic concepts at core Java, then we'll plan for advanced Java. So overall, two slots, mainly two slots you have to assign. Then to complete our courses, max two slots here we have to assign for us. So we'll go for it. Yeah. Guys, anything else? And moreover, one more thing I'm telling you, next class will be on Monday. Just today is one demo class, and next class is Monday. On Monday, we will start syllabus. We will start directly syllabus. Then, at what time we have to attend there? Next class will be on Monday at the rate 6 a.m. only. 6 a.m. Right. Then, first 15 days of time 6 a.m. only, but afterwards we have to attend at 7 to 8 also. 7 to 8, and depending on your package, we have to attend for 8 to 9, and this kind of schedules we are providing. Right, guys. Yeah, I have a number of classes are available, number of batches are available. Morning and evening, nearly almost all 11 to 12 batches are going on per day with me now. Yeah, 11 to 12 batches are going on with me. So YouTube, the complete set of videos are not available, sir. So complete set of videos are not available. Just some introductory classes only. For backup purpose, we uploaded some of the might be some of the things only. Then it's not like what I'm telling you. No, then complete set of videos are not available. No, not possible. That's it. Then in core Java, no offer fees. Then as usual, what we provided. Java and Scala are almost the same. Then why we should not target to learn a Scala? Can you please answer me? Actually, the problem is like what now? Enterprise application development point of view, Java is more comfortable. But Scala was designed by thinking about your big data analysis. So might be the continuation of might be Hadoop, might be people are thinking about Scala and Spark and Scala. Then they are completely in the point of like what now? Big data analysis as per my anyway, of course, I'm not having good awareness on the Scala and Spark no, but as per my view, they are designed purely with respect to what no, then no data analysis set, that big data analysis set now. But that is not comfortable for what no application development, enterprise application development. Because of that reason, most of the people they were targeted to go for Java to prepare enterprise applications. That's it. Yeah. Then offer is not there for core Java. Just still, if you have any problem, just we can talk with Bhavani. She will help you. That's it. That's it. Same link can be join another batch in a different time. In a different time, another batch is different link, guys. Different. Each and every batch is having some different links now. That's it. Yes. Anything else, guys, regarding this? Yeah. So nothing else, just I discussed it, and what are the technologies are given. So that information I discussed it. Total technology set, then what we are having. Right. Yeah. Definitely. Definitely. Core Java, it's okay, fine. Yeah, good. Different timings in a sense, and from now onwards, 6 onwards, every 1 hour, a new batch is available. That means batches are going on. So 6 to 1 and 3 to 11 timings, guys. 6 to 1, 3 to 11. These are my schedules, and the class are going on.
Definitely, yes. Then one more thing I'm telling there. So one more service here we are providing, and actually I did not specify that. That another service here, what I'm telling you, at the end of course, you will get certificate, course completion certificate from Durgasoft. Durgasoft certificate you are able to get course completion certificate at the end of every course. That's it. Is there any batches going on 6 to 8? No, 6 to 7, 15 days of time only. After that, core Java timing will be 7 to 8. And if you are taking any package, no extra, we have to allocate the time 8 to 9 also. Right. After 15 days of time, just we are going to take sessions 7 to 8. 6 o'clock will be free. 6 o'clock we'll start some other courses. Without knowing C and Python, is easy to learn. Definitely. Bharat Kumar, it's very simple to learn Java without having awareness on C and Python, not required. But definitely, Swapnika, then we will talk about it. Time to time, we are going to give suggestions and all. Then how to plan for our career and how to apply for jobs. And definitely, we are going to provide this. No, 7 to 8 CST in the sense I'm not getting awareness on it. All these timings I'm telling you IST, Indian Standard Timing. Then we can calculate it. IST. Night sessions batches will be 3. Then as per IST, 6 to 1 and the next one is 3 to 11. In between that, batches are going on. Every 1 hour, one batch is going on. Yeah. That's it. So Java is better or and then Python is better in the sense depends on your options. Sir. Just I given all these things here in the analysis part. Right. Nothing of it. Either of the thing. No. But if you go for this Java side, no, 70 to 80% confirmation is available. But if you go for Python enterprise level, 3 to 4 months, but 20 to 30% is only. Otherwise, we have to learn 1 year of time this data analysis if we want to go for it. As per that, we can calculate it. Thank you, Hani Gupta. Yeah, definitely. Then we'll provide the program assignments on the basis of the technology, on the basis of the topics. Topics wise, we'll provide these assignments. Topics wise assignments will provide. Right. Hibernate is going on, but it is almost at the ending point only. New Hibernate batch we have to start. Definitely. When I'm going to start this new Hibernate batch, then you can join with it. Definitely. Other timings also may be possible, but we have to start it. We have to start. Yeah. Okay. Guys, and shall we meet on Monday? And already have some classes there at 7 o'clock. Definitely, guys. Definitely, Nikhil side. Then interview coaches is a part of our course. Interview coaches is a part of our course. On the base of the topic, interview coaches are going to be delivered. Part of the course. Thank you, Sudarsh. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Jaswir. Thank you. Thank you. Patambar. Thank you, Ranjan. Okay. Good guys, and I have some other session and we'll meet on tomorrow. Thank you. Sorry, we'll meet on Monday. Monday at 6 a.m. We'll go for it. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot.